Hi everyone, in this video I will show you quickly how to cancel an order on Glovo by using an Android device. So unfortunately I can't record inside of the application, it's just being blocked for some reason. So I'm just going to run you through the steps you need to perform. Right, so open up Glovo app, launch it, go to My Orders. For that, tap on the profile icon on the menu, usually represented by 3 lines in the top left or bottom right corner, and look for My Orders to see a list of your active orders. After that, select the order to cancel, find the order you want to cancel and tap on it to open the order details. After that, request cancellation. In the order details you should see an option to cancel the order. Tap it and follow the prompts. If the cancellation button is not available, the order may have progressed too far to be cancelled directly. Confirm cancellation. Once you tap cancel, you'll be asked to confirm. Glovo will usually notify you if any charges apply due to the cancellation. And if needed, you can also contact support if you can't cancel directly through the app. If you're facing any issues, scroll to help or support section within the app to contact Glovo's customer service. Also, please note that Glovo's cancellation policy varies depending on how far along the delivery is, and you might still be charged if the order has already been prepared or dispatched. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps, and I will see you in the next one.